Hey everybody, and welcome to this sneak preview of Vävstuga Weaving School's awesome video about the Julia Drawloom from Glamokra and Karin Muirhead. I'm Amy, and in this video, Becky and I take you through every step from building the loom to weaving a finished object. The 8-shaft Julia countermarch loom, with its extension and shaft draw attachment, is an exciting option for both new and experienced drawloom weavers. Its modest footprint and elegant but simple construction are ideal for studios where space is at a premium. Its 20 pattern shafts provide vast design possibilities, far more economically than larger looms. We think the Julia Drawloom is a game changer. We're eager to show off what it can do and help you get the most out of it. We start with the base loom and demonstrate first how to construct the drawloom extension. We move on to build the drawloom attachment and install the draw cords and pull handles. We believe a deep understanding of any new loom comes from putting it together, and we provide lots of tips and tricks along the way to make the assembly of your drawloom enjoyable and stress-free. To help you get comfortable with your new loom, we also demonstrate every stage of the wonderful project Karin includes in the box. We show you our favorite methods for preparing the warp, threading both sets of heddles, and configuring the drawloom attachment, including some recent innovations you won't want to miss. We consider damask tie-ups and related setup considerations that might be unfamiliar to new drawloom weavers. And we take you through our procedure for troubleshooting the damask shed so you can start weaving your project with confidence and ease. Of course, there is a comprehensive weaving demo with Becky talking you through her process as she magics Karin's beautiful irises in 6-end irregular satin damask. The video is freely available on Vävstuga's Vimeo page, where you can also find Becky's amazing online classes. There are many benefits to buying your Julia Drawloom from Vävstuga, including an original, detailed English language manual with lots of photographs and handy hints, the conversion kit, which enables you to use the Vävstuga tie-up system with your new loom, and access to Becky's previous video about the Julia base loom. Finally, you'll have the full support of the massively experienced and talented Vävstuga team. We're excited about the video and hope you'll check it out, and we're looking forward to welcoming you to the world of drawloom weaving.